Okay, I have a 10% variance on a few cylinders on an exhaust pulse, 10% variance on a few cylinders on an intake pulse while cranking. Here you can see it on the vacuum gauge. If you watch really closely, the intermittent issue, it'll come and go, smooths out. There it is, there it is. So there's definitely a fuel drippage issue or a valve train issue. 5 and 6 are the cylinders I'm having the most issues with. I think this is enough evidence to either do a leak down test or pull the upper intake to inspect the spider injectors. This is a 4.3 Vortec, in my opinion, one of the most annoying engines in the world, especially this week.